Hey guys, hope you're doing good. It's virtually the end of the first week of the Global Trading Challenge, and I see that most of you are interested in basing your trade ideas, getting your trade ideas from the news and what's happening in the market. So I would like to show you some Bloomberg functions that can help you with that process. Bloomberg Terminal provides comprehensive toolpack to catch up and follow the news that are affecting the global exchange markets and stock markets. And let's see them one by one. The first one that I would like to show you is Daybreak. It basically highlights top news, upcoming events, and other key information each morning, so you can catch up on overnight developments and prepare for the day ahead. So if you take a look at one scroll, it has sections. The first section is where you see Donald Trump's face, since he is doing much of the decisions and actions that are moving most of the markets, right? So you can see what has happened in the most important or most famous stocks here, and most important headlines, corporate news, and etc. The next interesting function I would like to show you is TREN, which is short for news trends. So this function is a news ranking function that allows you to see which companies are generating the highest readership or the strongest sentiment or the most news or social media post volume over a selected time frame. So you can spot trending securities and anticipate moves in the market. It has several sections, like the news reader activity. We can see that the largest increase, by largest increase, we can sort by that, or we can see largest total readership activity. And for this security, Zions Bancorp, we can see that the largest total news readership, and we can see the news summary, basically the summary of the news that has the most readership. Or we can see it and sort it by the news sentiment. Let's go to most positive, since you're interested in long trades. Let's see, for this security, for example, the sentiment is most positive and the price is going up, so it may worth a look. You can go to the security description and find out what the company is and what's happening around the company. Next function I'd like to show you is a read, which is short for most read stories. So it displays news headlines ranked by readership, so we can follow the most read and shared stories and gauge their potential market impact. So you can set the time frame. For example, for the last 1 day, this is the most read news story. You can see, you can take a look or read and base your ideas or start your ideas from here. And another interesting function is social monitor, SOCI. Here you can create a customized social media feed using Twitter lists and search, and you can follow the influential people or breaking news or key topics that you care about in real time. You can select the suggested search. For example, if you select economics, you're going to see major economic tweets or news that are posted on Twitter or in Facebook or YouTube. So you can see what's happening, and you can deduce from here that which event can trigger the stock moves, certain stock moves in the market. So let's go to the next one, which is FIRS, first word. So it basically displays Bloomberg first word stories from Bloomberg News. It covers over 40 market and regional areas of focus, including equities, fixed income, currencies, and commodities, and much more. So it's basically a summarized version of what has happened to a stock or a company or any event that has happened in the market. You can click on any of them and see a short summary of what has happened, or go to the news chart or the price of the security that's mentioned inside the story. And of course, you want the television to be open in one of your screens. For that, we're going to go to MEDI, which is short for Bloomberg Media, and we can go to interactive TV or watch these episodes of different shows. Let's go to interactive TV. The reason it's called interactive is that as the news events unfold, you can check the data that is available about the news event in the Bloomberg terminal. For example, at 10:33, it talked about gold, so it automatically shows you the function to check the price of gold. That were the most important functions that I thought can be useful during the Global Trading Challenge for idea generation and Market Watch. If you're interested in exploring more, you can just type N. It opens the news and research menu, and you can select any function from the sections here. I hope it was useful, and good luck in the challenge.